Welcome back to my YouTube channel RideNexus and subscribe my YouTube channel. What happens when you take one of the world's most luxurious vehicles and inject it with the soul of a street racer? You get this, the custom wide-body Rolls-Royce Ghost. The base car is the legendary Rolls-Royce Ghost, known for its stately elegance, whisper-quiet ride, and unparalleled craftsmanship. But this is not the standard Ghost. This is a dramatic wide-body conversion, turning a majestic executive sedan into a low-slung, high-impact machine. The centerpiece is the transformation itself. Note the dramatically flared fender arches, the wide body which give the car an incredibly broad and aggressive stance. This requires significant, bespoke body modification. Front angle on the finish is a deep, rich metallic brown or bronze that perfectly contrasts with the classic Pantheon grille and brightwork. And look at the aerodynamic enhancements. An aggressive, low-profile front splitter and bold side skirts, all in a carbon fiber look. Low shot of the wheels. This look is completed by the massive, custom-forged wheels. They perfectly fill the widened arches, emphasizing the car's mean, road-hugging posture. Quick cut of the engine bay or an abstract power shot. Underneath this aggressive shell still lies a heart of pure luxury performance. The stock Ghost is powered by a 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, producing a potent 563 horsepower. However, a car that looks this aggressive demands more. Tuners typically pair the visual overhaul with performance upgrades like ECU, remapping to significantly boost power, and a high-performance exhaust system to give that famously quiet engine much more dramatic sound.